This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jillian Didier. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath home in the Shady Forest subdivision is located less than half a mile from the University of Florida. The property offers a spacious floor plan, a fully equipped kitchen, a Florida room, and a utility room with washer/dryer hookups for added convenience. The covered detached deck provides the perfect spot for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet afternoon outdoors. Enjoy easy access to RTS bus routes, providing an easy commute to UF, the Harn Museum, Butler Plaza, Celebration Pointe, the Oaks Mall, Santa Fe College, and a variety of shopping, dining, and entertainment options, all within 1 mile. Yard care is included in the rent. Schedule a showing today. $60 non-refundable application fee, per adult over the age of 18. $60 non-refundable guarantor fee, if applicable. $250 leasing fee, due at time of lease signing. Security deposit equal to 1 month's rent, due at time of lease signing. $250 per pet, per year, non-refundable for pets less than 30 pounds. $300 per pet, per year, non-refundable for pets over 30 pounds. $25 per month pet rent. For more information, review the details below.